Welcome to the next stage of our journey, where we'll discover an efficient method for creating templates from existing tags. In our previous session, we learned how to build templates from the ground up. Now, we're taking a more streamlined path by leveraging the tags we already have to simplify the template creation process. To get started, navigate to our OPC UA client module instance. Expand the menu and click on OPC Browser. Here, select the corresponding connection, in this case, OPC Server, and you'll get a comprehensive view of the server's data. Locate the Tracker TRK01 folder, and with a simple drag and drop, move it to the Tags section. Next, perform another drag and drop, this time moving the TRK01 to the Templates panel. This action creates a new template based on our tag folder. This template encapsulates the essence of our asset. This intuitive method allows you to swiftly create customized templates without the hassle of complex manual configurations. Feel free to explore this approach further, and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into advanced template functionalities.